The Royal Coffee Maker was a coffee machine which was given to Queen Victoria while she was on tour Newfoundland. We created this cocktail to celebrate this gift. To make this cocktail, first create a blend using 150 ml of Hennessy Fine Cognac, 20 ml of Maraschino Luxardo, a few drops of chocolate bitter, gum syrup and cocoa tea blend. Then add 200 ml of boiled water. Put this blend into the coffee pot, closing it hermetically. After that, combine 2 teaspoons of loose Earl Grey tea with 3 maraschino cherries and orange and lemon peel. Pour this mixture into the glass container next to the pot. At this point, we light the burner and let the old-fashioned coffee machine work its magic. When the liquid has made its way through the device, pour it into a goblet glass and top up with mascarpone foam. A true specialty of Mr Fogg, you won't find a drink like this anywhere else.